I'm Martin Faith. I'm the owner and founder of Scottish Stained Glass. Christ Community Church first contacted us about 5 years ago. Someone had thrown some rocks through their windows and they couldn't find a company to come and fix them. So it was a relatively small job, but we were happy to take it on and do the repair work.
My name is Bill Gorman. I'm the pastor here at Christ Community Church's Brookside campus. This building that we're in right now was built almost 100 years ago in 1925, and it was constructed as the Sixth Church of Christ Scientists. It was originally built as a Christian Science church, but in 2012, Christ Community purchased this building. We did a lot of renovation to it, and it became the home of Christ Community Church's Brookside campus. And so we've been here for about 12 years now. That we've been having services in this space. And of all the work that we did in the initial renovations, the windows were not part of that. And so it's been wonderful over the last couple years to get to rehab these windows and have them in a place where they will be able to serve this building for another 100 years.
While we were at the church, I happened to notice that they have some very, very large windows in the sanctuary on I believe it's the north and south sides. Those windows were starting to deteriorate quite badly. They were warping fairly badly. So eventually the church asked us to do an assessment of the windows to find out exactly what condition they were in. And after we prepared the assessment, maybe 4 years later, the windows were completely restored. So each window had to be taken out and taken apart completely and then put back together with new lead. Christ Community Church has a lot of weddings in the church. And so it was going to take well over a year to restore all the windows. So they didn't want to have the sanctuary with no stained glass for a year. So what we did was we agreed to take one half of the windows out and get those all restored. And meanwhile, the weddings could use the other windows to take as the backdrop for the nice photos. And then when we came back with the first set, we removed the second set. And the whole project took about 18 months from start to finish. We worked with Nathan, the maintenance director at Christ Community, and he was really wonderful to work with all throughout the project. And I feel it's always important to have somebody from the church who's really invested and really wants to see a project get completed. That was very helpful to have somebody like him on the project working with us. The condition of the windows should allow them to last for at least another 100 years.